Hey everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Here it is Mike the FPV Evil Monkey with Mike's Drones and More, and today guys we're going to be checking out a brand new video transmitter. This is the AKK X2-Ultimate video transmitter. This is capable of up to 1,200 milliwatts, which is freaking insane. Now obviously I'm not going to be using that anytime soon when racing. Usually with multi-GP you're only allowed up to 25 milliwatts. So but maybe possibly out in the field we can you know, maybe use it to kind of do some testing and stuff like that. I am going to be using this on my 6S build, so that's kind of cool. So here it is. That's what it looks like in the box. So we'll go ahead and take it out and take a look at it. So here's what it looks like from the outside. It's a pretty typical AKK VTX. I run these on pretty much every single one of my quads, and I'm very happy with their VTXs. I love them, absolutely. So you've got a couple of different ways that you can plug this in. So you can use the port down here that's got the wires, and I'll show you that in a second. Right up here is really nice. This always displays what band you're on, what channel you're on, and what power level that VTX is putting out on as well. So that's really nice, especially again when I go to the multi-GP races. I can adjust the power rating, which is really nice. And then so another thing right up here, you can kind of see, let it focus in. So it's got smart audio on it. It's got 5 volt to the camera if you want to power the camera off the VTX. You got your ground video, and this does take anywhere between 7 to 26 volts, which is pretty freaking sweet. So and it does have a, you can kind of just barely see it, it's got a little microphone right on the board there, which is really freaking sweet. And again, it's got a little button here on the side, and that's how you switch in between your channels. Usually when it's flashing, when it's on, you basically hold it down for 3 seconds and then it'll flash to the band first. And then you can click it in between, hold it for another 3 seconds, that'll flash to the channel. You can switch that, and then you hold it for another 3 seconds, and it'll go to the power level, and you can switch it. Usually on most of the AKK VTXs, it's 1, 2, 3, and 4 for the power rating, 1 being the lowest, and then 4 obviously being the highest. So yeah, so this is really cool. So let's take a look inside the box and let's see what else comes with it. So it does come with a SMA connector, and it is a MMCX. I really like the MCXs. I think you guys have heard that before, but it just plugs right in just like this. And it is a little hard to get it in for the first time. There we go. So it snaps right in, and these are really nice for racing because you don't have to use this pigtail. You can switch it out for something else, or you can use that, you know, whatever you want to do. But these are really nice, and you know, you can change them out to a clover leaf. I mean, they make all kinds of MMCX connectors, which is really cool. So here's your little wire. So you got your power and ground right here, and then you've got the rest of your cables all nice and twisty tied in there, and then you also have a little owner's manual as well. So it kind of just basically goes over everything in the basically everything. So it goes from 25 to 200 to 600 to 1200 milliwatts. Now Josh Bardwell did do a review on this one, and he was he did a whole rule of something, I forget what he called it, but basically 1,200 milliwatts is not as huge as it actually seems. It seems like, you know, you would get like quadruple the distance and things like that. But what Josh Bardwell was explaining, and I'll put a link up here for you guys, and you go check out his video. He explains it better than I do. I don't remember all of what he said, but yeah. So this is really nice, and I am gonna again be using this on my my 6S build. I'm actually getting ready to rebuild it right now, but I wanted to just do a quick unboxing and a quick review of this VTX. Now once I get the 6S built, I will go ahead and we'll do a separate whole video of just the video footage so you can see what this VTX looks like. I really like AKK VTXs, and I'm not just saying that because they sent it to me to do a review on, but I'm saying that from personal use. Every single one of my drones up there, I have AKK VTXs on, and I just like the quality, and they're inexpensive. They're not super like fancy. They're not like the TBS Unifies or anything like that. They're really inexpensive, and you can find them just about anywhere that you can get them on their website, and you can get them on Amazon. And most of them that you get on Amazon, you can get them on Prime, so you can get them within a couple days, and it's not going to break your bank, and which is really nice. So I mean, if one breaks or something like that, usually they're only about $20 to $25 at the very most. I'm not sure how much this one is, but I will leave a link down in the description for you guys on my Amazon influencer page, so you guys are more than welcome to check that out. But yeah, these are great VTXs. I absolutely love them, and I can't say enough about AKK. Like I said, I use them on every single one of my builds. The only one I don't have it on is my X2-Ultimate, and that's because it's an all-in-one board that's got the VTX on it. Otherwise, all my other ones, I'm using VTXs from AKK. So guys, if you like the short unboxing of the AKK X2-Ultimate VTX, this has got the 1,200 milliwatts. Go ahead and hit the thumbs up button for me, guys. I'd very much appreciate that. And if you like my channel, if you like my reviews, unboxing, FPV footage, go ahead and hit the subscribe button down there. And next to it, there's a little bell that just lets you guys know when I've got new videos. Typically, I have one every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and sometimes I'll try and throw something in there for you guys extra. So thank you guys for watching the video. Thank you for all the subscribers. Thank you to all the viewers. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. And while you're waiting for my next video, let's keep our drones up in the air, flying high. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for hanging out. Have an awesome day.